Welcome to MS Mind Zone, where is your brain gets smarter with every question. Get ready for today's exciting general knowledge quiz. Each question has 4 options. Think fast and let's begin. What is the capital of Australia? A. Sydney, B. Melbourne, C. Canberra, D. Brisbane. Right answer is C. Canberra. Who invented the light bulb? Option A. Alexander Graham Bell, B. Nikola Tesla, C. Thomas Edison, D. Isaac Newton. It's Thomas Edison. Which planet is known as the red planet? A. Earth, B. Mars, C. Jupiter, D. Venus. That's right, Mars. Which is the largest ocean in the world? A. Indian Ocean, B. Arctic Ocean, C. Atlantic Ocean, D. Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is the largest. How many did you get right? Comment your score below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to MS Mind Zone for more brain boosting quizzes. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing. Thanks for watching.